Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel as Janet Mawia. Okay, please, if you are new here, make sure you hit that button, subscribe, like, comment and share, and may the Lord bless you so much. I want to show you guys what I'm selling. Yeah, as you can see, I have these zawatoi, niko na dresses. As you can see, unaona. Yeah, kama uko na mtoto, please come to my shop and shop for your kid. Yeah. Niko hapa stage mpya, Pipeline. Please come and support me. Na ukiangalia pande ingine, unaona niko na trousers za wanawake, wanaume, both genders. Niko na nguo zote zenye unataka. Come for it. Kuna za watoi, as you can see. Niko na za watoi. Yeah, boys, both boys and girls. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, pia hii unaona venye iko smart. Yeah, please guys, come and shop for your kids.